Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just making these earrings and I just thought I would share my the set of earrings. So these earrings I'm making for my nieces. The earrings I got from Hobby Lobby in a pack of 3. It's Jewelry Shop brand. And I already have these Paula McClay disc beads. There's another name for them, I just keep forgetting. But you can find these ones in my store. So super easy. Not too many beads fit in here unless they're the big hole beads. So I decided just to add these in there by themselves. Super easy.